Hello, Jamb 2010 Economics Past question number 15. A set of factors that can shift the supply curve are changes in A. Weather, price, and technology. B. Technology, price, and taste. C. Technology, weather, and population. D. Population, price, and taste. This is looking at effective supply. Okay, and supply moves in the same direction with price. The law of supply states that all things being equal, the higher the price, the higher the price, the higher the quantity supplied. Okay, the higher the price, the higher the quantity of the commodity that will be supplied. The lower the price, the lower the quantity that will be also supplied. So from our among the factors affecting supply are price. Among the factors are price, level of technology, cost of production, government policy, weather, taxation, price of other commodities, and number of producers and natural disasters. So, a set of factors that can shift the supply curve are option A. Option A changes option A, weather, price, and technology. That is the correct option. Thank you. Please subscribe for more questions.